Hey YouTube!
It's your girl Demaya and I'm 8.
It's your girl Mia and I'm 13.
And today we're going to be doing an ASMR video.
And this is our first video on YouTube, by the way, so don't criticize. And we're doing ASMR with Ruffles and
Marshmallows.
And we have
There's Ruffles and then we have water. So,
we had popsicles earlier, but you know, our little sister wanted to be a demon. Bless you.
Thank you. So right now we're going to be doing the chips. Just ignore the laughing.
That's our sister.
Stop. Time for the marshmallow.
We'll probably be one. You just don't ASMR with the fucking happy behind it. If you hear more chip noises, it's our little sister. I'm running out of water.
There's ice in here, by the way.
Demaya. I live inside here. What's in there?
There's another teeny cup in there. Sorry.
So guys, my little sister has little cups. And her cup is stuck in there. They're just in there.
It's fine. No wonder you don't have a lot of water.
Excuse me, so now back to
Another
the
marshmallow.
Our next video is going to be a reaction video.
Well, maybe. We don't know.
Yeah. We're going to try to upload every
Week?
every other.
Twice a week?
Yeah. Our little sister is
Open
dropping.
this,
I'm showing my picture in the video just to look. But she's cute.
One off to Ruffles. Where's it at?
Well guys, since my little sister's cup is stuck, I'm gonna dump the ice on here. And attempt to get the ice out. We could do ASMR with ice too.
Oh, yeah. Here, can you see?
While I try to get this cup out. That was wonderful. Look, so this was stuck in the cup.
That's my leak. Now you have to drink from there. Be like, also ASMR. Nobody wants to see that.
Let's do that out, guys. Well, I'd probably even do a TikTok video with our other sister behind the scenes.
Behind the camera.
Eating this.
Don't touch much.
Turns out this is not ASMR video. It's like an eating video. We should do a mukbang. The second video.
Later, we're gonna upload too. And we're gonna eat dinner, but with the family.
Yeah, we're gonna. Okay, this is turning out horrible, but it's fine, right? Right.
We're not cutting nothing out. Because this is how you're gonna see our crazy family. When we're with the family.
This is no editing.
Yeah, this is a no editing channel.
Corona.
Okay,
My
for lunch
eggs are laid.
from me, and I did her hair.
Oh, we're gonna do a hair video tomorrow morning.
Yeah, and we're going to do a mukbang for lunch.
For
Chill.
lunch.
Yeah, lunch and dinner.
We already had lunch.
No, oh yeah, okay.
Come, let's share join our mukbang. She wanna join because her hair's not popping and curly.
Look at my bracelet. I made it. Did I just
Look
poke
at
you
our
in the
hair.
eye?
Look at our hair.
Can you tell the difference?
We're like twins.
Not.
No, totally.
Not totally twins, but we're twins. We're not identical twins.
Can't eat ice anymore. Take a brain freeze.
You're not supposed to be eating rice. Well, guys, give you a brain freeze.
Imagine she got a cup stuck in hers too.
You remember the time where we got one of these cups and then you found that pink cup?
That was like a few minutes ago. She had more marshmallows.
Later, we might go for. Later, we're gonna be doing a workout video.
Your mom don't want to shake her ass on there.
Stop cursing.
Oh.
Our mom don't want to shake her behind on YouTube.
Don't expose the business, Mia.
How?
What the heck, elephant? Guys, there's an elephant in our house. That's what you just heard.
Okay, now that's all on this plate is
Water.
water that just spilled. That's great.
Clean
We
that
got
up.
paper towels.
Clean that up.
Sexy water.
Sexy girl.
You
You
said
like
girl
my
water.
bracelet?
We're gonna make me one, but we have to redo the string because you know our little demon sister.
We might do a video on that one. Should we?
Maybe.
After this video, right?
Maybe.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe not, because I have brain freeze and I'm fat.
Yes. So we're just gonna finish eating these chips and drinking our water with me.
Okay, bye guys. I'm with you. I'll be back in the cut. I just need to talk to my little brother.
Bye, guys.